Hi, so this is Project 3 by Fatima and Manny. We're currently looking at the heat map page, and this is the heat map. And you can choose from several different options to see what kind of data you want to see. You can choose from either dark sky or AOT for the source. We did get to OpenAQ. And you can choose the time period. You can choose what type of data you want to see. Currently we're looking at temperature. And you can also, we're looking at SO2. And you can also choose if you want to see the minimum, maximum, or the average of the data. As you can see that there's a lot of black spots, and that means that those areas don't have data, because AOT data is a lot more sparse because a lot of the nodes aren't active. We can also switch to seeing dark sky data. As you can see, the dark sky data has a lot more data, and there's just a lot more color. And so you can see that the areas that are darker, the colors that are darker are higher temperature. So now we can switch to the table view. In the table view, we have a node list and a leaflet map, and you can see that both are showing nodes. These are showing the AOT nodes, and you can choose from this node filter which type of data you want to see. So currently we're looking at SO2, so these are the nodes that contain SO2 data and have an SO2 sensor. And this is the same information in a list format. So we can switch to see NO2 instead, and so we can see that the nodes are different. So you can see that these two nodes are now highlighted, so you can see the data for them over here. So you can choose to see either the dark sky data or the AOT data. So over here we're looking at the dark sky data for node 1, and over here the AOT data for node 2. And we're looking at this over the course of currently, so we can look at this over the course of a day. So this is giving us more data now. And now we can also view these in graphical form. So we can choose what we want to see graphed for AOT. So we can choose to see NO2 data. And you can see that here, the orange is showing node 1 NO2 data, and the blue is showing the node 2 NO2 data, and you can see that it's a lot higher for node 1 than node 2. And for dark sky, we can view the temperature data. And so you can see that the two nodes have pretty similar data for their temperature. Another thing that the project shows is this button over here, the project info button over here, which brings up a modal with the project information. That's all. Thanks.